Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how to stretch the oblique muscles. I apologize for my shirt being out of my pants, but it is necessary to demonstrate these stretches to you. So to stretch the oblique muscle, you're going to stand about a foot or a foot and a half away from the wall. Your forearm is going to go on the wall. You're going to cross the leg like a ballerina would. Take the opposite arm, and you reach over the head to touch the wall. So that's stretching this side here. Okay? Hold for the required amount of repetitions. Come out of it. Then you switch like this, ballerina style. Touch the wall. Hold for the required amount of time as directed by your therapist. Alternatively, you can stand next to a door frame. So let's just say this was a door frame right here. Grab the door frame, again, about a foot or a foot and a half away from the wall, from the door frame. Cross, reach for the door frame with the other arm, and lean away from the frame. That would stretch here. Hold for the required amount of time. Take the arms, pull out of the stretch, then you turn around and you stretch the other side. So that's how you stretch the oblique abdominal muscles.